I'm Craig. Welcome to the battery shop.
This 2013 Volkswagen Golf has this 12-volt battery right here under the hood, and it's fairly easy to get to. But like most modern automobiles, it has a computer system, it has a sound system. So before you begin, we always recommend that you check with the vehicle manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to be sure you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in a vehicle like this.
And today we're going to install this brand new Optima DH6 battery, which is a direct fit replacement for this vehicle and many other European and domestic models.
Let's get started. The first step is to open up the battery's cover and get it out of the way. And then we're going to use jumper cables as a memory saver. Our host battery is going to be the power supply for the memory saver. We'll connect the negative jumper cable to this ground connection and the positive jumper cable to the positive battery terminal. And we're going to leave that hooked up there during the entire process.
The next step will be to remove the negative battery cable from the negative terminal, and you'll need a 10mm wrench for that.
Then remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. Being careful that you leave the jumper cable on the positive battery cable.
Now we will remove the battery's heat shield. And then we'll remove the battery hold-down bracket. For this, you'll need a 13mm wrench.
Now we can remove the old battery.
And now we'll install the Optima H6 battery. And the battery's hold-down bracket.
Now we can carefully reinstall the battery's heat shield.
Next, we'll install the positive battery cable on the positive battery terminal.
But don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage.
Then we can tighten the fastener.
Then we can reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. And retighten the fastener.
Finally, we'll remove the jumper cables, starting with the positive and then the negative. and replace the heat shield lid. And we're done.